and good evening and welcome to all of you for the first semi-finals of our show, Tax Your Brain. The show has been brought to us by the Directorate of Income Tax, and over the past few months we've conducted quarterfinals. And out of 32 teams which have participated in the quarterfinals, these are the 8. Or rather, these are the 4 schools, and we'll have another remaining 4 schools coming back to you next week who have made it to the semi-finals, and out of which we will get the finalists. It is the first semi-final, and before we start asking the young talents questions, we will introduce you to all of them. On my right, we have Sunbeam School from Varanasi who participated before in the quarterfinals, and they are represented by...
Hi, my name is Abhinav Srijan and I am representing Sunbeam School, Bhagwanpur.
Ashish Singh.
The second school on the right is Ferguson Junior College from Pune.
I am Divij Ghosh, Supreet Rabish.
On my left, we have the 2 schools from the east. The Delhi Public School from Guwahati.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritik Bhattacharya.
Hi, I'm Krishna Raj.
There's another DPS, the Delhi Public School, this time from Patna.
Hello, I'm Rakshit Ranjan.
Hello, I'm Ram Krishna.
These are our 8 participants, or rather 4 schools who will compete tonight for a place in the semi-final. The rules of the game don't change for the semi-finals. We will have 3 rounds as we used to have before. After 2 rounds, the 2 teams with the lowest points will be eliminated, and the final round will be played between the remaining 2 teams. The first round will be a round of general questions. The second round will be a buzzer round, and the third and the final round is going to be rapid fire questions. Our first round is called the grey matter because after all it's all about the knowledge stored in your brain. Each team will be asked 1 question. You will get 30 seconds to answer. A correct answer will get you 20 points, and an incorrect one will allow that question to be passed on to the next school. Remember, there is no negative points in it. If you answer the bonus question correctly, you get 10 points. The rules are clear. There is no change, so there's nothing to panic. Just play as you have in the quarterfinals. Here we go for the first question of our first round. So our first question for the Sunbeam School from Varanasi, represented by Abhinav and Ashish. They will start the first semi-final. S. Gopal Krishnan was lately named President of the Confederation of Indian Industry. Which company did he co-found in 1981 with 6 others?
Infosys.
Absolutely right. The Sunbeam School from Varanasi have opened their account and they've got the first answer spot on. They've got 20 points for this school. Our second school, the Ferguson Junior College from Pune, represented by Divij and Supreet. And the question for them. In the UEFA Champions League final of 2013, both the participating clubs were from which country?
The United Kingdom.
The United Kingdom is not the right answer. It passes on to the next school, the Delhi Public School from Guwahati.
So Germany.
Germany is the right answer. Well done, the school from Guwahati, DPS. You've got 10 bonus points for yourself. We now move on to the Delhi Public School, Guwahati, represented by Ritik and Krishna Raj. As we said before, they're already on 10 points. So it's their turn to answer their question. What is the threshold annual income level beyond which an individual must file his or her income tax return electronically?
1 crore.
Answer is incorrect. The school from Guwahati, Delhi Public School, has said 1 crore. That's not the right answer. It's time for the Delhi Public School from Patna to take a go at it.
5 lakhs.
The right answer is 5 lakhs. The Delhi Public School from Patna has given the right answer and they've got 10 points for themselves. The Delhi Public School Guwahati misses out this time, and the opportunity has been seized by the school from Patna. It's their turn now to answer their question of 20 points. They're represented by Ram and Rakshit. These are the last 2 contestants for tonight. The Delhi Public School Patna, who showed terrific form in the quarterfinals and gave their everything to qualify for the semi-finals. We'll have to wait and see how far they go from here. The question for you guys. What comes next? The Immortals of Maluha, The Secret of Nagas, and a dash.
The Oath of the Vayuputras.
The Oath of the Vayuputras, and your answer is right. They're pretty confident young boys, and you don't get much of an opportunity to confuse them, and they've given the right answer. They've got 20 points. With this, we come to the end of our first round. Before we move on to the next round, we will see what's the score of the four schools. The Sunbeam School from Varanasi on 20, the Delhi Public School from Guwahati on 10, the Ferguson Junior College Pune are yet to open their account, but the Delhi Public School from Patna once again lead at the end of the first round. Good start for all of you, and hopefully you'll get better in the next round. So this brings us to the end of our first round. It was a relatively easy round, and as we have said before, there were no eliminations. So all four of the schools will go on to the next round, the buzzer round or the round of elimination. Hope you enjoyed this round. Just don't go anywhere, hold on to your breath, and we'll be back with a lot more.